Hi students, in the previous class we are discussing some properties of addition. Now in this class we are discussing about some special properties of addition. In this class we are discuss about some special properties. The first property, open page number 33 in our course book. There are some special properties. Okay, number ending with zeros can be added easily. Numbers ending with zeros can be added easily. That means 30 plus 40 means add the numbers first. 3 plus 4 is 7 and take 1 0. Like that, take any triple digit number. 300 plus 100. 3 plus 1 is 4 and take 2 zeros. The answer is 400. 5000 plus 3000 is 8000. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 3 zeros. Take 3 zeros. Okay? Yes, numbers ending with zeros can be added easily. 10 added to any number increases the value of the digit at tens place by 1. For example, if we add 364 plus 10. If we add 364 plus 10. If we add 10 to any number, the value of the digit in tens place increased by 1. The remaining digits remain same. So, 374. The value of the number is increased by 1 in tens place. The tens place digit is increased by 1. Okay. Similarly, if we take any 4 digit number, 4534 plus 10. What is the digit in tens place? 3. It is increased by 1. That means it becomes 4. So the answer is 4544. 4544. Okay. The third, 100 is added to any number. The value of the digit at hundreds place is increased by 1. Okay. 100 is added to any number. The value of the digit at hundreds place is increased by 1. For example, 2359 plus 100. Here 100 is added to 2359. Then what will happen? The remaining digits are same and the number in hundreds place is increased by 1. What is the number in hundreds place here? 3. It is increased by 1. That means it becomes 4. What is the answer? 2459. 2459 is the answer. Okay. Take another example. 359 plus 100. If we add 100 to any number, the digit in the hundreds place is increased by 1. What is the digit in hundreds place here? 3. It is increased by 1 means it becomes 4. Then what is the answer? 459. 459. If 1000 is added to any number, the value of the number is increased by 1 at thousands place. 1000 is added to any number, increase the value of the digit in thousands place by 1. Take we will say another example. 2359 plus 1000. If we add 1000 to any number, the value in the 1000 digit is increased by 1. Here what is the value of the 1000 digit? 2. It is increased by 1 means it becomes 3. Then what is the answer? 3359. The remaining digits will be remain same. 3359. Take one more example. 5446 plus 1000. If we add 1000 to any number, the value of the thousand digit is increased by 1. What is the value of the thousand digit here? 5. It is increased by 1 means it becomes 6. And the number remain, the digits in the remaining places remain same. 6446. Here some fill in the blanks are there using these properties. Now we have to discuss properties of addition and some special properties of addition. What are the properties of addition? First property is order property, and the second property is grouping property, and then addition of 0, and then addition of 1. And we have discussed some special properties now. What are the some special properties? If we add 10 to any number, the value of the tens place is increased by 1. If we add 100 to any number, the value of hundreds digit is increased by 1. And if we add 1000 to any number, the value of 1000 digit is increased by 1. Using all these properties, we can answer these fill in the blanks. Okay. What is the first one? 5678 plus dash is equal to 1432 plus 5678. Sixth checkpoint, A bit. What is that? 5678. 5678 plus dash is equal to 1432 plus 5678. That means what is the order? Here we are using order property. If we add two numbers in any order, the sum will remain same. Here 5678 plus dash is equal to 1432 plus 5678. That means here we write 1432. That means we reverse the order of the numbers. The sum will remain same. Equal to means the sum will remain same. Here we are using order property. The next one, 6783 plus 0 is equal to dash. 6783 plus 0. What will happen? If 0 is added to any number, the number will remain same. Here 0 is added to 6783. So the answer is 6783. Next, third blank. 8999 plus dash. 8999 plus dash is equal to 9000. 9000 is the successor of 8999. When will we got the successor? If we add 1 to any number, we got the successor. If we add 1 to any number, we got the successor. Here 9000 is the successor of 8999. So take 1 here. 8999 plus 1 is equal to 9000. Next, 1567. 1567 plus 4156, grouping these two numbers, plus 2564. 2564 is equal to dash plus 2564 plus 1567. Here we got three numbers. That means we are using grouping property. Here 1567 plus 4156 are added and then add 2564. It is equal to 4156. If we group these two numbers and then add this number, we got the same answer. Okay. Next, 7,864 plus dash is equal to 7,864. What will happen? The number remains same. When would the number remain same? If we add 0. If we add 0 to any number, the number will remain same. Next one, 6,784 plus 10. What is the property? If 10 is added to any number, the digit in the tens place will increase it by 1 and the remaining digits are same. That means what is the digit in tens place? 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. The remaining digits remain same means 6,794. 794. This is A blank, this is B blank, this is C. What about G? 7,892. 7,892 plus 100. If 100 is added to any number, the digit in the hundreds place will increase it by 1. That means what is the digit in hundreds place? 8. It is increased by 1 means it becomes 9. What is the answer? 7,992. 7,992. 6,543 plus 1,000. If 1,000 is added to any number, the digit in the thousands place is increased by 1. Here what is the digit in thousands place? 6. It is increased by 1 means it becomes 7 and the remaining digits remain same. 7,543. Like this, complete checkpoint 6. All of you complete all the checkpoints.